Ase king. Ase. King. Ase kukundezuwa ndibwate nakhakuti tikufaya. Because of my backward. Ase ndalo. Hi guys, it's me and some of my boys and yeah, muri bwanji weekend kwenda bwanji because kumene ngoba sasa siteka jaro ndia hapa zinakatheka tose mesa kana joko gwirizira se walina yake ya bluetooth ya bluetooth kuchita control bluetooth. Hi guys, it's Malvitha here. Weekend yano inali bwanji mwaimaliza bwanji somewhere. I say I'm 17 itakuonekana. Okay guys, with my guys wadali ukapanga video ina and then yeah, we are going to shoot another video and everything will be just mukuonera video kuchokera kuti guys, mukuonera video kuchokera kutiko. I miss you so much guys. I said under 23. Hello. Okay. Guys, Banji video mutachita like, video mutachita like. Ndejo linga chokuda tusambira onere now. Okay guys, in South Africa somewhere. Okay. My friends know mene muri ku Malawi. Muri bwanji. David Kantandiro takuona nizikoma kwambiri. Innocent kumwenda umakwana isi. Ndathokoza kwambiri bro. Ndathokoza kwambiri. Yeah, everything is fine and everything seems to be good. Joseph Flaction Mkori, hi, wiki nalipo mawa waku mulako Malvitha umakwana live from Palombe. Ziko mkwambiri kuli bwanji ku Palombe. Isaac Nkoko umakwambiri bro waku mulako. Next year I'll be there. I'll be there for real. I'll be there. Ndine mlomwe, so I have to also to appreciate my culture and then ndizaka khala so kulamba wache wa kumaso ndizaka khala ku chiwanja cha yao ndizaenda almost like mikomano yonse umshangani ndizavaya ya umthetho ndizapitaso, so I have to represent all the people in Malawi. So yeah, next year I'll be everywhere. In Malawi. So yeah, no samini mukotera video ika ndinokuti tizakaona na kumene koko. Live from Johannesburg paboma. Anizathu akuboma ku Johannesburg muliko bwanji. Fridas Wyson umakwana amuna ziko mukambiri. Ibra Andegonda. Ibra Chaki takunyadirani bro. Ziko mukambiri bro. Mmakwana tathokoza kwambiri. Takona ni big from Cape Town ziko mkwambiri. Amini Kasimu mpaka pamenepo nice zilipo. Yeah, I have to do that. So yeah, jina jili kase popo. I say mugana kanao. So ndeza popo. Tokaja mbla video. So there's a good thing to propose it. So a video minute, hopefully it will look. Hello? Yeah, it's fine. We'll talk later. Okay. Sharp. Okay, guys. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. Okay. Hey, Palombe ilibo bwerani bro. Monsemo tivaya basi. Kwanji good. Abwera kwa mojedo ai kumana ndeka kumaji mademo mine. Okay guys, it's entertainment bro, it's entertainment. Awadu kapanga tikajambra video ina, as I said. with my guys, with my friends. So yeah, ndizabobo. Together we can make stronger some Malvitha. Ko lankula za entertainment bobo mopanda kuti mwakuti. So yeah, ndizabobo. So Sabiti Solomon ndakuona ni ulemu wanu zikomo kwambiri. Ikuduka dukatu pena alo guys. Zabwino koma bobo. Ikuduka dukatu pena ndi pena. Yeah, kuteka mwina network fund kwenda baba. Watch your Pro Max price if you could pay watching you Johannes. Okay guys, maona Anton Samena lukukua onse ndachi yao. So yeah, ndizabobo. Diga nikaide tembenuze kamera. These guys. I say. Okay, I can't crunch yao, wait, so it's fine. Yeah, guys. I would and the ones I go to host and I yao.
Maso baliso ntumbuka. Jako ina yose nyine munga yankule. Angaja chitechi yao. Wali moyo yenge chitumbuka, tuzo nenge, ka chitonga. Chima kwa jina Joseph egu.
Nde, kwani ndeja? Kwani ndeja? Chiao. Okay. Oyo moyo kwambiri na wenda fake. Okay guys. Yeah, Veronica Sekobi, I'm watching you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Veronica. Samze wa same. Wachi yao fire mesa. Yeah, amene wawandaji yao kaoka. Umakwa na Malvitha ndathokoza kwambiri. Palomberi bo zikomo kwambiri. Amini Kasimu okay, fine bobo. Uli kuti I say I'm in Northern Cape, somewhere in Northern Cape. Yeah, I'm in Northern Cape somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Ai, abonde mene ase obama tajizula adena ga think ali bajizula baba. Ndaso ngaji werengero ase kopa kuyankula zosa kala bwino. Ase ababa kuti yani. Asa abale bajao.
Ulimani. Ulikuta ase.
Ababa.
Na weni nombe uwe ayao basi jambona twapochera mwene.
So I think I'm on night. Mwankula jizungu jano mandipi ndaite. Mwankula jizungu jano mandaite. Okay guys, yeah, we're about to make a video. Fatika chite record video tiambeso video production in msikula lero. So everything will be just okay. Yeah, so this weekend, maybe on Monday, or if everything goes well, we are going to publish it tomorrow. And then by then, yeah, it's more than just entertainment. So yeah, everything will be just fine. As we are approaching the days, 2025 itaka 40. So inayo ndeka 2025 ndoka vota zinzanga wiliwa. Sikuti samavota sakubwera. Ndi maujini ndantho kuti basi. Yeah, ndizaboboza ichi. Ndinamboni? Palamboni savota akamena saimba. Which is which? Okay guys, I have to sign out. Hey, ase ngubandula to ase. Kabwere to kamene serious. Basi njoko. I think in the spare if I'm not mistaken. Okay guys, I love you so much guys. I love you so much. I love you everyone. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you have to meet there. I'm dropping a video tomorrow. Yeah, somewhere tomorrow. So yeah, love you guys. Signing out. Peace. Choka na